Hi, my name is Felix Moshemi Ndirango. Welcome to my channel. Last time we learned about grammatic. We started by learning the nominative case. We said that the German grammar is divided into 4 grammatical cases, which is nominative case, accusative case, dative case, and genitive case. So we dealt with the definite articles and the indefinite articles. If you didn't see that video, you can go back to it. Type Felix Ndirango, that is my channel name, and look for the video that with the title Nominative Case Der die das. Nominative Case Der die das. So today we are going to learn, continue with the grammar. Today we are learning different kind of articles in nominative case, and that is negative articles in nominative case. In German, they are called negative article nominative Fall. Negative article nominative Fall. So we start off with the singular. Remember, German nouns have gender. They can either be masculine, feminine, or neuter. So the masculine negative article is kein. The feminine negative article is keine. The neuter is like masculine is kein. And the plural resemble the feminine one, it's keine. So all these negative articles, kein, keine, corresponds to the English no or not a. So these are normally used when you want to negate a noun. So for example, Beispiele, examples. The first one is Das ist kein Tisch. Das ist kein Tisch. This is not a table. Das ist keine Kamera. Das ist keine Kamera. This is not a camera. Das ist kein Auto. Das ist kein Auto. This is not a car. So the first one is kein because again, as I said last time, Tisch is masculine in German. Camera is feminine. That's why you say keine. And Auto is kein, is neuter. So let's go through the plural. Plural, we only have one article, that is keine, and of course the plural form will change, as you can see here. Now let's begin. Das sind keine Tische. Das sind keine Tische. These are not tables. Das sind keine Kameras. Das sind keine Kameras. These are not cameras. Das sind keine Autos. Das sind keine Autos. These are not cars. So you can see that the plural of Tisch is in German is Tische, camera, and Auto is cameras and autos. So that was the negative article in nominative case. Let's go and learn in the next slide the subject pronouns in German. Personal pronouns in German, they are called Subjekt Pronomen. So we have already learned the personal pronouns in German when we were learning conjugation of verbs, Konjugation von Verben. If you didn't see that video, you can go back to my channel Felix Ndirango and look for the video with the title Konjugation von Verben. So these are the German ones. Let's begin. Ich is I, du is you, and this du, you is familiar form. Er is he, sie is she, es is it, wir is we, ihr it's you, familiar plural. Z, another Z means they, and another Z which is always capitalized, S is always capitalized, means you, polite form, and this Z is can be singular or plural. Let me go through again the personal pronoun in German without the English translation. Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. So let's do that with simple examples. Let's begin. Ich bin glücklich. Ich bin glücklich. I am happy. The next one, du bist hübsch. Du bist hübsch. You are pretty. Er ist müde. Er ist müde. He is tired. Wir sind traurig. Wir sind traurig. We are sad. We are sad. Sie kommen heute. Sie kommen heute. They are coming today. Okay, so let me do that again without the English translation. You can repeat after me. Of course, you can stop this video, and I mean, you can repeat as often as necessary so that you may get everything right. So let me do it again without the English translation. Ich bin glücklich. Ich bin glücklich. Ich bin glücklich. Du bist hübsch. Du bist hübsch. Er ist müde. Er ist müde. Wir sind traurig. Wir sind traurig. Sie kommen heute. Sie kommen heute. Okay? So this video was a short one. So thank you for joining me. Be sure to join me in my next video. With me, it's cheers. Bye.